After a long time, we are back. We know with some delay with our videos. We have some problem with our sponsorship. 2018, we are coming with a mountain bike, the Montra Madrock. Look at this bike. It's orange and the black bike. It's really look like a mat. I rode this bike. It's really awesome bike. 26-inch alloy, dual disc, awesome bike. Now time for the spec. The frame of Madrock 26-inch. HARDTAIL MTB 6061 aluminium alloy. The Montra Madrock 26-inch comes with Shimano Tourney FD TZ30 3-speed front derailleur, Shimano Tourney RDTY 300 7-speed rear derailleur, which are connected to Shimano Tourney ST EF41 shifters. This MTB from Montra comes with alloys mechanical disc brake with 160/160mm rotors, which are connected to Shimano ST EF41 brake levers. The Madrock 26-inch comes with a zoom suspension fork. Alloys is made by XMR. XMR is a good and well-known company, and we know these alloys are really usable for rough roads and its normal roads. Now we can check in the saddles. Saddles is coming with the Montra Trail saddle. It's pretty good for long ride and short ride. Handling is also good. It's really good mountain type. And now the last thing, we know everyone looking for the price. The price is just 40,000 rupees. We know this type of cycle and this price is pretty good. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and leave your comment below. Okay then, see you again.